Closed captioning and other considerations brought to you by The
You're
Tilt.
watching the one.
The only ATV.
And the A stands for astronomy.
That's right.
Okay.
And now,
It's time for the weather.
Welcome back, y'all. Guatemalans of the world. I'm Bernice Lamush. And this is ATV, the best weather channel in the network town. Well, you know that today is June 21st, 2009. And that means one thing. It's summer, folks. The summer solstice, folks. What's the summer solstice, you ask? Well, it's the first day of summer, you silly goose.
It's also the longest day of the year, don't you know? It's also the day when the sun is directly hitting the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north.
Thank you, Bessie.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Now back to you, Bertha.
I'm Bertha.
and I'm Raul.
What's wrong, Raul? You've been gloomy all day. What's wrong?
Well, it's just that we haven't done Ask Us yet, and that's my fave.
Well, okay, it's time for...
Ask Us with Yolanda.
Hi guys, I'm Yolanda.
Okay, this is Yolanda. First question. What are the 4 seasons?
There, winter, spring, pop goes the flowers, summer, surf's up dudes, and fall. Okay.
Okay. This question is from Yuji Sato. What in the sweet potato pie is revolution?
Well, a revolution, first of all, is equal to 1 year, which is actually 365 and 1/4 days. Anyway, a revolution is a complete orbit around the sun.
What a great answer. Now we have another question, and this is also from Yuji Sato. What in the donkey molasses is aphelion? What about perihelion?
Aphelion is when the Earth is farthest away from the sun in its orbit, and perihelion is when it's the closest. Well, it looks like there's breaking news.
Resources report that the distance from the sun is actually not a factor for seasons. But how could it be?
Like it or not, it's true. This is our proof. In the winter, which is very cold in the northern hemisphere, the Earth is at perihelion, which means it's closest to the sun. Also, when it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's hot, and the Earth is at aphelion, which means the Earth is farthest away from the sun.
Hey look, we have another question. Here's the question. What causes the Earth to have seasons?
Well, the Earth's seasons is caused by the amount of direct sunlight and the hours of daylight, which is caused by the Earth's axial tilt, which is 23.5 degrees.
That's it for today's show.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye. Welcome back, ladies and germs. You're watching ATV. Astronomy now, astronomy later, astronomy all the time. We're back and better than ever. It's September 21st, 2009, the day of the autumnal equinox, and that means the equator, equal days and equal nights. The autumnal equinox is the first day of autumn or fall, if you prefer. On this day, the sun is directly hitting the equator at 0 degrees.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for tuning on ATV. Now get ready to experience the amazing, the worship, Bernice Lamoche.
Oh, stop it. I know, and I'm great. Hello, everybody. I'm Beatrice Lamoche. Today is December 21st, 2009, also known as the winter solstice. Today is the day that the sun is directly hitting the Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5 degrees south of the equator. Unfortunately for you youngsters out there today, it is the shortest day of the year. But for all you old geezers out there, I hope this doesn't affect you as much. Please stay tuned.
That's it for today's show.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye.
Hey, and welcome back to
ATV.
Well, you've seen him before, and now you'll see him again. Give it up for the amazing, the fantabulous, Bernice Slomovish.
Thank you. Thank you. I know, ain't I fantabulous? Now, let's get to astronomy. March 21st, 2010 is the date today. And it also is the vernal equinox. What happens today is the sun's rays hit directly at the equator, which of course is 0 degrees. Today, the day and night will once again be equal, and little one for equal, and little one old geezers and little youngsters can play again.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.